On this lock set here we have a situation. This deadbolt here opens and locks this way. This is nonsensical that it works this way, and it really is easy to fix it. All I need to do on this particular lock set to remove these two trim bolts. They are short. This short, very little bolts, so you don't really need a screw gun for this, but I'm lazy, so I use one for removal. Now, this one is reversible. This plate, this plate here stays in place with these two screws in it that hold together the two halves of this lock set. With key outside, and when this is how it works, when the key is rotated, and this is how it works. So I need to catch the direction of the blade with this one here on the inside. It's very easy. Just rotate it 180 degrees and it will line up with the direction of the lever. See, the direction of the slot is pointing is the direction of the lever. So it needs to be put together correctly this way. Let me just put the camera down here so I can actually work. There. Put the two screws in. I'm gonna not cross thread it and just use the tip of the screwdriver so the screws go in correctly, like so, and maybe tighten it lightly. I don't know, torque setting 4 there, and there, and now locks, opens, and the lever is pointing in the right direction. There, done under 2.5 minutes. Bippity boppity done.